week, we talked about how writers choose precise words to create a mood. I had a couple interruptions in my class. So really fast, we talked about how sometimes they use words and it creates a mood. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel sad. It makes me feel scared, angry, whatever. And so today, I want to talk about Rescue and Jessica in just the bits that we read so far. And the words that she said, how will I do things on my own? When somebody says that, how are they feeling? What is their mood? Will I ever be able to walk again? So when those words are read, what kind of mood does that create for you? How does that make you feel? To me, the mood is afraid. She's really afraid of what's going to happen. She's worried that things are not ever going to be the same for her. So tomorrow when we read, we're going to talk about how maybe things change for her and things get better, kind of like they did for Zinni in barbed wire baseball. So as you're reading your books, make sure you're still looking for those moods and you're thinking about how are they feeling right now based on those authors' words. How do I know they're feeling right now?